listen here. So now we are studying what is management. Okay. Principles of management, Henry Fay's management. Next comes functions of management. So let us study with the help of this diagram. Main functions of management are what? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So with the help of this diagram we can easily understand. In every organization the first function is what? Planning. Planning means what? What the goal they are setting. Planning means they have to set the goal in the organization, and according to that goal, to reach that goal they have to plan. So setting goal and deciding best method to achieve that goal. So there will be various methods to achieve the same result. One the result ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಬೇರೆ methods ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ which is the best method? You have to choose that. That comes under planning only. Once you choose the best method to reach that goal, then you have to organize. Organizing so how many workers are required, how many people required, what are the machines requirement, resources power supply, water, very resources people, human beings non-human, both are required in the company. Human beings are people B plus non-human machines resources power supply. So these are all non-human things. So human and non-human things are first decided how many they are required. That is organized here. Planning laga decide ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, and that should be well organized, no, where they must be kept in a proper way. So that organizing is done in this function. Allocating and arranging the resources in a proper way, in an order, they are all kept. Next, after organizing, what is the third function? Leading. So once it is set, once it is organized, one should take the lead of it, no? Who should take the lead? First, manager. Manager should take the lead. See here, influencing others. Leadership leadership quality mainly to influence the followers, to influence the subordinates. So manager or the leader ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Clear? By influencing the others. Next, last function is what? Controlling. Once everything is set, and that should be controlled, no? How to reach the goal, to reach the standard output at the end. If the standard output is not getting, if there is any error, that should be controlled, that should be corrected. That is called as the controlling. So they will be working together to reach the goal. They are producing some product, and product should reach the standard output. Standard output barade hodre any errors idre, any deviations idre, they must be controlled, no, by correcting the errors. How they will be correcting? Where they will check each and every stage whether there is a problem in planning. If it is correct. If there is a problem in organizing, then it is correct. If it is problem with leading, it is correct. So correction is done in every stages. So this function is called as a controlling, relating activities to reach the goal. Any doubts in this? So this gives the brief idea about functions of management. So in detail you can have this slide. So in this detail it is explained. Okay, shall we go to the next slide? Go to the next one. Qualities of good manager. So now you have studied what is management, who is the manager. Manager is who runs the organization. That person is called as a manager. And manager should also possess some qualities. As we have studied leadership qualities, in the similar way, manager should also possess the qualities. Okay. So first quality is manager should have high intelligence. Just knowledge of the manager that person should have a high intelligence. Next, manager should be quite vocal and spoken. He ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಂದ್ರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಂತ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಂತ್ರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ದಪ್ಪ ಚರ್ಮ ಎಮ್ಮಿ ಚರ್ಮದ ಕೇಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಮ್ಮಿ ಚರ್ಮದ ಗಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂದ್ರು ಬಾಯ್ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್, ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್. ಗೋಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸಿಸಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆದವರು ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸಿಸಮ್. ಹೌ? ಬೈ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಥಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್. ಎಮ್ಮಿ ಚರ್ಮ ದಪ್ಪದಲ್ಲ 100%. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಮ್ಮಿ ಚರ್ಮ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಶುಡ್ possess the ability to think broadly. ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he should coordinate with employees and also customers outside. Only when he is having that broad thinking. Okay. Next, he should have wider general knowledge also. General knowledge, current affairs ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಏನು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಹೊರಗೆ ಏನು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, everything he should know. That is called as a general knowledge. Next, manager should have the quality of self-confidence and a sense of obligation. Self confidence ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ನಂಬೋದು. You will be the person first. You should also develop the self confidence. It's an important quality. Manager also self confidence is related. Then only that person can have the confidence in others. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Manager should be emotionally stable and more extrovert. Extrovert ಅಂದ್ರೆ one who is outgoing. One who is outgoing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದು. ಬರೀ ಒಂದೇ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಂತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಯಾರಾಗ್ತಾರಲ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂದಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳೋದು, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೋವರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೀಡರ್ ನೋಡಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ 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 ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಚಲೋ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಮೋರ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್, to get the benefits for the company, that quality is called as a extrovert. Clear? Next, manager should be aggressive and should be frank to say I don't know. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಅಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಕೆಲಸದವ್ರು. he should get the work done from the people. ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಟ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ he should be aggressive in some situation and should be frank to say I don't know. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it will be miscommunication, misunderstanding between the employees and employees. Clear? Next, patience. It is very important. We should have a big, large amount of patience. That is required. Everyone should have that actually. Next, sacrifice. Sacrifice how much? He should be able to sacrifice his family life by putting long work. No, sometimes it happens. Sometimes it may not end at 5 o'clock. Our college work is from 9 to 5. Sometimes it may not end by 5 o'clock. You might have seen our principal sir. He will be sitting up to 6 o'clock, 6:30 so many times. Even in our department, if there is anyone, he will also sitting after 5 o'clock also. So we have to sacrifice some days our family life also. So that ability is should be with the manager. Okay. Next, good salesman. He should also act as a salesman because he will be that person is managing everything in the company. Means the production will be taking place. Some products, equipments, they should sell in the market. So while selling, he should communicate with the customer. How? By becoming the salesman. Salesman ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆಗ್ತದ ಹಾಕಿ ಚಂದ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೋ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ, so that they should buy the product. Okay. Next, manager should be good mixture of workers and work and should be organization success as his success. This is very important. Manager should not think about his personal success. Organization success should be taken as his success. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅವರು. ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆದವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, personal benefits, personal success ಬಗ್ಗೆ think ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. What I should think? Organization success should be taken as his own success. Then only there will be good results. Otherwise, everyone becomes selfish. Clear? Next. Manager should possess organization ability. You understand this? So very important. I just go through moral and integrity. Manager ಅವರಿಗೆ moral values ಇರಬೇಕು. Integrity ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಎಥಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ. Moral values important ಯಾವ್ದು? Honesty, loyalty, ಮತ್ತೆ love, peace, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ good values to be developed by everyone. We have studied in professional ethics. Those values the manager should also possess because he is also a human being. What is next? Motivational behavior. Manager should be motivated himself and also motivate others. Keep motivated himself and also keep motivated others for getting work done. Manager should be a good leader. Last line very important. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ಗೂ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ should have extra qualities compared to the leader. So you can understand that whoever becomes manager, that person must develop these qualities. That person is not having this. Is that clear? Many qualities are there. Total 20 are given in this book. I have just highlighted the important ones. In the examination, it is asked what are the good qualities of a manager. Correct? Work. Next. Some frequently asked questions. State and Henry Fell's principles of management. Those 14 principles you have to explain. Define management and list the functions of management. That diagram you can put and explain. List one. List another first list ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ explain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next, explain management. Management is just explanation ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ first you should define it and you should explain the functions of management. Just explain it here. Okay. Next, explain qualities of a manager. As now we have said, what are the different qualities? Total 20 are there. At least you try to remember 50. We will ask for 10 marks also. Next, MCQs. Try to answer. Henry Fell's first principle is, which is the first principle? Division of work. Correct. A is the right answer. Next, how many management functions are there? Yes, sorry. Management functions. 10, 8, 5, none of these. 5 or 5. So major are listed 4. Innondu staffing and staff assign ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು people ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ staffing. Okay. Management is dash and dash. Science and art. Actually, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It is a art. Science and art. Next, which is not characteristics of management?